So now we will use our relax plug for against bruxism. So it's like this, as you see. Okay, it's exactly produced for my upper teeth, jaws. So first you do 3D scanning, and then we will handle it with our special softwares, and then we will print it with high quality, made in Germany, silicone based dental plaque. So as you see now, it's like really strong. We have other videos. It's impossible to make it damage. Yeah, you cannot swallow. I mean, the swallow force nearly 4 Newton meter, and this is almost 100 times stronger than what you can like swallow force. Okay, like sucking force. So now I will use it. You can use daily if you're a stressy person and if you have stress in your life. This is helping, especially during the night time, against bruxism, against snoring, and some stress and anxiety. When you use it, it's triggering with your like swallow muscles and your tongue. It's sending like special signals to your vagus neuron system, and it's triggering your brain to relax. It's showing that somehow you are with your mother, like your brain feels like you're at home, you're in a secure place while you're sleeping. Someone is like hugging you, like you're sucking your mama when you're like a child. So it's strong, relaxing, natural relaxing action, we have to say. So now, as you see, it's so thin. Okay, I want to show you. It's so thin. It's like 1.5 millimeter, but when we produce also 1 millimeter. When we press it, it's like nearly 1.2, and the other one like 0.8 millimeter. So it's strong, robust. You can put your pocket, you can wash and use it. After 3-4 months, it will be like somehow yellow because you have like acid and enzymes in your mouth. It will be a little bit hard for you. Okay. So now, as you see, like, you know, you don't feel any stress. It's perfect. Nobody will see. Even while you are speaking, it makes you a little bit more charismatic, and your voice become more like more, how is it, tenor, or like more hard and smooth. But our topic here, as you see, is not changing anything. Nobody see. Okay? Look, I will show you the old version of the pacifier. Like, here. It's another my back, but we have already in the market the pacifier for the adults, which is relaxing. The people was having like demands, bruxism, migraine, and jaw problems, sleeping problems, even then later on like eating or like somehow smoking or alcohol usage, you know. This all coming from to relax your vagus system, to send signal to your sympathetic system to make everything relax and calm down. Because parasympathetic system in capitalism, it's somehow, like I want to show again, it's exactly produced for me. So it will be produced exactly for your client, or if you are the person who is having a problem, it will be produced only for you. So as a result, our solution is helping people to relax and sending signal to your brain like you are in a comfort zone. Already, you know, we have in the market like plugs without this attachment. The plugs already protecting your teeth. This is not stopping your bruxism or anxiety or anything. And in the market, there is already pacifiers to relax your brain and to manipulate your vagus system. to relax. So we just connected both of them together. It's a little bit hard to do it. It has strong engineering, and we have so many designs and everything. This is the one of the best. We have like a small, medium, and large, and X large for the people who has bigger mouth. But generally, large and medium is enough. For the child's, maybe small. So this is somehow like people are using Botox system against this, or some medical treatment to relax the brain, let's say. But this is chemical, it's killing your brain, you know. Or Botox is somehow poisoned from bacteria. I don't say it's bad. This is also proven technology, like people use it. But somehow I don't like to have Botox in my jobs, you know. If they use more, you can have some face problems. Or, you know, I don't like it. This is just a simple solution. It's protecting your teeth. It's protecting, whenever you take it out, you can keep going. Whenever you have, it's triggering you. For sure, this is not stopping. This is somehow after you use like 1 to 3 weeks, it's relaxing you. You stop like having this bruxism or other illnesses for a while. But you have to know it. This is somehow palliative like solution. You have to go to the deep root of the problems that you have psychologically. It can be mainly in schema therapy you can follow, mainly the ones who is having lack of love or interest from father and mother, or direction, or like somehow a mentor. Not all father and mother are the best, that's normal. But in capitalist system, this can be stressing you, okay? Or there are some emotional distractions, or somehow if you don't know how to be professional for different topics, this can be also affecting you in the future and letting you to have anxiety and bruxism, okay? Then later on, to stop the stress in your brain and like negative hormones, because the negative hormones is there to protect you. Think that you are in the cave age. It's really long, old times. Why this is there is like a software to protect you. I mean, there can be animal, there can be problem in your cave, there can be problem in your, I don't know, like a snake, scorpion, they can bite you, you know, it's hard times for food and everything. So you have to be always treated like, you know, like an animal. But now we are in the capitalist system, we don't have this stress anymore, but still, the brain thinks if you don't have enough money, if you don't have like satisfied job, if you don't have satisfied relationship with your wife or husband, if you don't have satisfied relation with your friends, you know, all of them together, creating stress in your brain, and this makes anxiety. How so many people solve it? Like, mainly, during the night time, you do like, I was doing the same, and I have solved it by myself. And then Mr. Padawan has found that the pacifier relax the people. You know, we kind of like a professor from Brazil, I was working in Germany, he found the solution. And also I, by myself, came to the same direction, and later on when I do search, he was doing the same. So this is somehow relaxing you, and whenever you have it, if you wanna like, okay, I'm coming to point again. When you have anxiety, you wanna relax, okay? But you don't know how to relax, because mainly your father, mother, your parents, your around like adults must show you how to be professional for something, how to be relaxed, how to you calm down, how like must teach you communication. Also, there can be a little bit genetically, if you're like a temperament person, like more energetic person, more emotional person. This is affecting maybe like if you're maybe a little bit paranoid. It's not bad. It was not bad when you are like a really old times, cave age times, you know. But now you don't need anymore. But still, the software in your brain is there. So as a human, if you eat a lot, you know, with sugar and everything, so many sugar, like so many McDonald's and everything, it relaxes you, know, like you sleep. And you forget all your anxiety, all your problems, all your stress suddenly. So, or some people work a lot, some people fight a lot, you know, like some people use so many alcohol. So all of them, or I want to say, some people watch a lot of porn, or some people is so much sexual addicted, or some people is so much addicted to be really always successful. So these are like making you, like some people are addicted to play like gambling games, you know, and all of them together to relax you. So whenever you have it, it relaxes you for a certain amount of time, like, because it will remind you like you are in your mother's arm and then sucking your like your mother's how to say, breast. Like, in fact, it's psychologically it's still there. Like, you cannot, like, we all need to be like, sometimes even if you are old, when you cry you say like, oh mom, where are you, mom, you know, like mom, like when you cry, the sucking and swallowing neurons, or like this system is so strong there, not only for food, also to relax you. So in this sense, when you use it in a good times, like to relax you, then later on you have to understand and you have to improve your communication skills, your job, your career, your like, you have to relax, you have to accept, you have to appreciate your life and everything. Whenever you understand this, and if you solve your problems with your father and mother, or like whatever, in your, like with your wife, and then if you speak with her or him, or like whatever, then you will understand the life better, and then you will be calmed down. Maybe one day you will not need this, and I mean that you don't need to eat so much food, or alcoholic, you don't have to be alcoholic, you don't have to smoke cigarette a lot, no nargile or shisha anymore. All of them is coming from that anxiety to relax your brain. And then so I don't want to sell the product only. I want the people relax themselves. You know, 10% of the people are doing teeth grinding. I think 15% of the people in the society have like having this anxiety problem. The anxiety is, as I told you now, like it's coming from your mentor. I mean, mainly I have also understand when I speak with so many people who are having this bruxism problem, they are mainly the ones who is trying to do more than what they know, more than what they can handle. So it's better to be a little bit small, less clothes, less life, small, like small package, village life maybe, or small city life, or don't be like a manager, don't be like huge, like in duties. If you take yourself, even if without knowing that you can handle it, if you didn't learn from your father how to manage it, of course it's a stress for you, you know. But mainly you have to speak these things with your like psychiater or psychologist to understand who you are, where are you doing mistakes, you know. I understand everybody thinks their father and mother are the best, but you have to also a little bit criticize your mother and father, but then you have to handle your life on your shoulder. You're adults now, you know. During this time it will help you, because look, if you do a lot of time this, you know, so many times all the night without this, it's thing when your muscles here, you know. My cousin is neurologist. She says after a while it stresses the bones a lot, and then the bones of the brain, this, you know, it's like with friction, it's losing, it's coming to the brain. For sure you have migraine then, for sure you have headache then, for sure all your muscles here, and it stresses you, you know. It can even create like a backache, it can even create like a, maybe then daily time you're like an angry person because you couldn't sleep well, you know. Or like you have migraine, then you cannot focus your job, you cannot be rich, you cannot earn enough money, you cannot earn your friends' happiness or whatever, just because this, you know, just because you don't relax while you sleep. All your muscles are stressed. After a while you don't know what is not to have a relaxed muscle, relaxed brain, relaxed, you know, jaw muscles. So I want you to use this, you know. It's not expensive, it's just one time we take engineering price, and then later on same price as this one, you know. So the plaque. dental plaque. So it will help you. It will help not all the patients, all the ones who is having anxiety, but it will help, I think, most of the people who is having this stress. You have to try, you know. For sure you can keep going your Botox or all other therapies, but this is only solution. I use also some medical, like psychology, like psychiatric, like pills. It's unlogic, it will not help you. The plaque, it's only protecting your teeth. Botox I did, yeah. After fourth time, it didn't work anymore. They said they have to do it more and then more frequent. I was like, ah, come on, I cannot. I don't want poison in my like muscles. But now this is the solution. I don't do anymore. I don't use it anymore because you relax. You understand what is the problem. Like if I stress sometimes, like some clients wants to do so many things, I say no. No. You have to learn how to say no. I cannot do it. It's over my budget, over my capability, over my vision, over my like how do you say the Umgebung in German, they say, like the environment. I cannot do. I don't have enough information. I don't have enough time to learn more information. Maybe then I say no, I cannot do it. Even they say no, you will earn money, you will do more. No, I cannot. Or some friends call me different parties, one more one. I say no. I'm alone, also happy. I don't want to stress my brain. I don't want more information. For example, for myself, how I saw, I understand my father and mother was like, they were happy in their life and they were coming from a village, like small city. They didn't have this real capitalist life, and it was okay for them to grow up in their life, like, you know, small life, and they don't do any bruxism and stress. But in capitalism, school system, university, master degree, like taxes, like city connections, psychologically, like communications, you have to know so many things. You have to be successful in this capitalist life. You have to have a good flat, you have to have a good sport, you have to have happy friends, you know, all of them. You need like good communication. It's somehow not easy to handle all this if you don't have an emotional, happy father and mother, and like mentor mentality father and mother. So as a result, you have to be your father and mother after you watch this video. But during this time, you will need this. You will need the reflex bruxism. We have different names. Relax headache, relax migraine, relax demands, relax your addictions, like smoking addiction, alcohol addiction, food, like so many eating addiction. This will help most of them. During the daily time, if you use it, it will relax you. It will let you feel like you are with your mother. Thank you for watching. I will again do, then you will understand. I don't feel it. It's exactly, I don't feel it. After 1 hour, 45 minutes, you will not feel that you have it. Nobody will see from outside. While you are sleeping, your wife, your boyfriend, girlfriend, they will not understand that you are having something, a special dental plaque. You can say them, you used to relax yourself and everything. Look, it's relaxing. I will show you like how it's inside. It's so simple. Take it out and perfect, really good. As I said, this is dental company. They produce in Germany. So thank you for watching. That's it. You can just watch with some water and some like a soap, and then like it's better to keep like this, you know. Yeah, it's better to keep like in your table like this after washing. So simple. It seems like this. Nobody will understand. It will be dry. Just put it in your mouth. So your mouth has enough enzymes and acid to kill all the bacteria. Don't worry. This is also will be clean. But as I said, after 3-4 months, it will be yellow and maybe a little bit smelling. it's better to use than later on a new one in order. It will be much cheaper for sure. I want everybody who has this illness not have any more. I want to solve it. This is the reason I have created this. I have enough job, I have enough businesses, I have enough money, I do so many things in my life, but this is, I just to really to help the people to be better, you know. I don't want people, because one of our patients, he said after 6 years, first time he woke up without headache. Can you imagine? Another child, like 13 years old, small girl, her mother said, thank you to God, thank you to guys. My daughter now, when she wake up, she's happy. She's laughing. She's not saying she has headache, she has muscles, she doesn't want to wake up, she want to sleep more, she doesn't want to go like school. Can you imagine? A small girl is stressing. Maybe the school system is not fitting her character. I don't know. This is not my part. My part, she used this and then she was happy and relaxed and everything. Another child, I think 10 years old, it's interesting. I just say you the interesting ones, the histories. He used like 3 days, then he doesn't use like 5-6 days and use again, and like, because it's interesting. This is somehow, whenever you use it later on, it's your brain learns to maybe produce some hormones to make you happy again, but later on forget. I don't know. This is a brain chemical which neurologists and neuro doctors must maybe do search or whatever. Maybe there are already, I don't know. But as a result, this is helping you to relax and then produce like happy hormones and relaxing hormones, and to stop your brain thinks that there is a danger. Just this is the simple way of explanation why we have this plaque, okay? Woo! Bye-bye.